Top 10 Facts About Forests. Discover more about forests and what you can do to help. Fact 1. Forests are home to over 80% of the world's land-based species of animals, plants, and insects. These animals help to keep the forest healthy. For example, elephants distribute seeds from fruits they have eaten. When the seeds pass through their gut, they come out undigested in their dung and germinate in the ground. Fact 2. Forests can make rain. Over 3/4 of the world's accessible freshwater comes from rivers in or around forests. Forests also move so much water from the soil into the atmosphere that they create rain. Parts of the Amazon actually trigger their own rainy season. Fact 3. We still don't know all there is to know about our forests. We don't know how many tree species there are on Earth, but scientists estimate there are about 63,000 known species. There could be as many as 9,000 tree species still unknown to science. Fact 4. Forests are incredibly good at storing carbon. Most of this carbon storage takes place underground. For example, in UK forests, around 70% of carbon stored is kept in the soil. The rest is stored in the roots, surface litter, and the tree above ground. Fact 5. Our tropical forests store about 1/3 as much carbon as is held in the atmosphere. Around 30% of all the carbon reserved in the world's forests is stored in the forest of South America, around 82 gigatons. Fact 6. Forests once covered just under half of the Earth's land. The total number of trees has fallen by nearly half since the start of human civilization, and it's estimated that over 15 billion trees are cut down each year. That's around 100,000 square kilometers of forest, or roughly 1 football pitch every 2 seconds. Fact 7. Our food system is the biggest driver of forest loss. Up to 80% of deforestation worldwide happens to make room for crops and livestock. Fact 8. In 2018, the UK was the second largest net importer of forest products in the world, surpassed only by China. To supply the annual UK demand for just 7 products, beef and leather, timber, soy, palm oil, pulp and paper, cocoa, and rubber, requires a land area of almost 90% of the size of the UK. Nearly 30% of this land is in countries at high risk of deforestation. Fact 9. People are responsible for around 3/4 of all wildfires. Between 2001 and 2015, 23% of global forest loss was due to wildfires. Fact 10. Deforestation releases carbon dioxide that has been stored as carbon in trees, roots, and soil, making climate change worse. This creates a feedback loop as climate change increases the likelihood of deforestation, as the risk of droughts, wildfires, and pest infestations increases and stresses the forest ecosystem. There is simply no way we can fight the climate crisis if we don't stop deforestation.